Hello, in today's video, I'll show you how to use high heat cooking up to 160 degrees Celsius on your THERMOMIX TM7. High heat cooking can be achieved either in recipes that require it in the guided cooking, so the recipes from Kukidu, that I'll show you later. But first, let's see how to do it by yourself. If you go to manual mode, you cannot use the high heat cooking. High heat cooking is over 120 degrees Celsius. You can see 120 is the maximum level that you can set here. But in browning mode does use a temperature between 140 and 160 degrees Celsius. For that mode, you'll need to remember to put the cap on top of the lid as shown in the picture right here. Set the desired temperature and the desired time. Then it can be set to gentle or intense. It's basically the mode of browning. You can see the tips to learn more about the browning mode, or hide the tips if you want to begin. An example of a recipe with high cooking is quick gyros with tzatziki. So let's search for it. There it is. And that will use the high temp cooking. So let's try to use it. It shows me to add the onions and oil, then sauté, then to add pork strips mixed with gyros spices. And now make sure that the pork is evenly distributed around the mixing bowl, and now it will start browning. As you can see, it'll just set the settings for you. So I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.